is for ant. B.
Well done!
Woohoo! B is for ball. C. Woohoo! C is for cake. D. Good job! Woohoo! D is for drum. Wow! Who's ready to pop them with me? E.
Well done!
Amazing! Woohoo! E is for egg. F. Good job! Woohoo! F is for frog. G.
Well done!
Amazing! Woohoo! G is for grapes. Let's have some fun. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump. H. Good job! Woohoo! H is for horse. I. Amazing! Woohoo! I is for iron. J. Woohoo! J is for joker. Peekaboo! 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 K.
Well done!
Woohoo! K is for king. L. Good job! L is for lion. M.
Well done!
Great! Woohoo! M is for mouse. Let's have some fun. Release this balloon on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. N. Good job! Woohoo! N is for nest. is for orange. P. Pa.
Well done.
Amazing! Woohoo! P is for pencil. Q. Good job! Amazing! Woohoo! Q is for queen. R.
Well done.
Woohoo! R is for rocket. S. Woohoo! S is for sheep. Pick a sticker. T. Good job! Great! Woohoo! T is for train. U. Great! Woohoo! U is for unicorn. V.
Well done.
Woohoo! V is for violin. Select your favorite stamp. W. What? Good job! Fantastic! Woohoo! W is for whistle. X.
Well done.
Woohoo! X is for X-ray. Y. Good job! Woohoo! Y is for yarn. Good job! Hi, I'm Ruby. Hi, I'm Lucas. Z.
Well done.
Amazing! Woohoo! Z is for zip. Congratulations! You got a certificate!